Hey, y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host, Tim. Hope you're doing well today. I have this unusual little pipe. It's called a Sea Dog, and it needs a little work, a little repair. So let's turn around to the workbench and get started. All right, here's a better look at the Sea Dog. Right there's the logo, and it's got several little chips on it. I don't know how much I'll be able to do with those. The one I'm concerned about is right here. And what makes this pipe unusual is it's all carved out of one piece of briar, so kind of interesting. But we're going to have to fill that in with some dust, briar dust, and a little super glue and see how it does. It'll probably be a little darker, and so we'll end up staining this whole pipe a little darker than what it is. I like the lighter color, but we'll have to go with the darker color to hide the help hide the repair on the button. All right, let's get started. Well, let's get this shank cleaned out. May have to just use regular pipe cleaners. Yep, I'm going to use regular pipe cleaner. A little dirty. The airway reamer is not long enough, I don't think. I'll try it though. Don't think so. And it's a little smaller. Well, let me see if I can get this cleaned. I got the airway cleaned out. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the airway is off center a little bit. It's more on this side, but not much. There's not much I can do about that. That's for sure. So I'm gonna give the pipe a general sanding, and then we'll look at doing something on this button. I'm going to attempt to do this behind the camera. I'm at a little odd angle. So let's just see. Got my briar dust here. Pick up some of the finer stuff. And we'll just see what we could do with this pot. May have to just build it in layers. I don't know. It's a small spot. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit that spot with some glue. All right, got that. Let's lay on a little bit more. Give it a drop. Let me see here. A little bit more. I don't mind putting too much on there because I can always sand it off. All right, we'll let that dry. Look a little closer there. You see it balled up on the end of the. It doesn't look good now, but hopefully it'll look good later. Okie doke. The glue is dry, so let's start seeing if we can't reform this a little bit. I've got the airway pretty well blocked, but we'll get that opened up. Use my trusty manicurist drill. It's looking pretty good. We'll still make some further adjustments. And now we're going to do a little sanding. Let's see what it looks like with a little alcohol on it. Not terrible, but not great either. All right, I'm going to go super dark with it, but I think I'll just put a tan on it. I can always go darker. Tan. Let's see here. Don't think that's going to be dark enough. It might. We'll give it a shot. All right, we'll let that dry. Okay, the stain is dry. There's the repair. You can see it a little bit there, but not terribly bad. And so let's put it on the buffer. Well, here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out well. The repair looks pretty good. It's just a unique little pipe. Thank you for sharing your time with me today, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.